In this video, I'm going to show you how you can uninstall fashion makeup app from your smartphone. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Now, if you no longer need this app, there are several ways to uninstall it. One, you can just go to your app and long press on it, and then you should see an option to uninstall. However, if you don't have that option, then you can go to your Google Play Store if you're on Android, or App Store if you're on iPhone. For my case, I'm on Google Play Store. I'll tap on it, open, and search for my app. Once you have found your app, now you should see we have an option to uninstall it. By tapping on uninstall, confirm, and then this will begin removing the app together with its files from your smartphone, and this will clear everything. Now, if I go back to my apps and then open it, now you see we no longer have our app among these apps. So that's how you can uninstall fashion makeup app on your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.